There is a unique maker in each of us. Propeller Technologies creates and caters product, services and exclusive experiences that communicate with the makers and inspire them to make new inventions. With our inveterate vision of together we create makers of the world, Propeller Technologies is missioned to intersperse a myriad of makers across the world by imparting real-world connectivity in tech education.
Propeller Technologies has flourished into 4 service and product-based ventures: a Tinkering Lab, STEM Lab, Propel.study and Me and My Innovation Kit.
Astute lab setup, curriculum and the equipments are much more inclusive in our Tinkering Lab, which assists the students in their inventive and innovative dreams. So this is an end-to-end warranted lab program aligned with the institution subject schedules to kindle the young minds and inspire them to participate in ATL events and international competitions.
To overhaul education and inculcate the spirit of innovation in the next generation, Propeller Technologies sets up Maker STEM Lab in schools. The idea is to acquaint the students with various innovative technologies so that they can come up with creative solutions with social concerns. We have been deemed one of the finest among top 1% of the entire STEM Lab providers accredited by STEM.org, aiming to manifest top-class pedagogies, upskilling for educators and learners with quality curriculum, patented products and real-time DIY kits.
Propeller is a one-stop STEM education partner inspired to discover the maker in each and every learner and turn them into technopreneurs irrespective of age, experience and educational background. Inoculating VARC model of curriculum with several other aspects to make 21st century science easy to learn right at the home desk of the learners. With its deep conviction of quality and applied conceptualized learning, we know that Propeller will break through in the field of STEM education to aspiring young scientists. Propeller Technologies aims to make learning and know-how experience by manufacturing and merchandising unique products under Me and My Innovation Kit. Propeller develops products that make learnings meaningful, joyful and insanely addictive.
A compact assistance with existing student maker population and furthermore an intense networking of our alumni makers into various pertinent communities help Propeller Technologies catalog every resultant invention.
Valvadaram comprises of a community of kid scientists researching and inventing on behalf of some social cause. Currently, 93 such projects are underway by our kid scientists, proctored by Propeller Technologies, experienced engineers and tech mentors. Many of their social innovations are highly recognized and endorsed by Education Ministry of many states of India.
This is a brand community of tech players geared up for every science, technical, technology and robotics, national and international competitions.
Propeller has credibly networked its alumni makers into a hub called Propellites Hub to help them continue their learning, researching, inventing and discovering with the industrial experts and advanced mentors and guide them to dive deeper into inventing and patenting.
We create young scientists, technopreneurs, tech engineers, entrepreneurs, and leaders. We are Propeller Technologies. To know more and grow on our uniqueness, visit www.propellertechnologies.in and www.propel.study.